Good morning, children. Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am.
Okay, everyone take out your tree top. This book, tree top.
ट्री टॉप कौन सी है इंग्लिश?
And now mute your microphones. Take out tree top.
नहीं ऑन है.
Yes. Children, we have done. I told you story, one story now, taking a laddu. It was a nice story, taking a laddu. It was based on a girl, entirely based on a girl, small girl, who was unknown about greediness. And what mistake she did? She took a laddu from the shop. Okay. And then what her mother told, that this is a very bad habit. Stealing is a bad habit. This we learn from the lesson now. So what she did, she returned the laddu to the shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper was so happy that he gave that girl a box, a gift of laddu. Okay, that box he gave. So this is all about the story, children. Now today what we'll do, we do the exercises. So first of all, everyone take out the book and open page number 12. 1 to 12. Yes, see in the book. Please take your pencil and eraser in your hand. Only book, your pencil and eraser. Nothing else. Yes, now open page number 12. Children, you can see the heading is written there. Let's start. Read these things. Take the ones that you think you can take without asking. Children, usually हमें क्या होता है, हर चीज करने से पहले हम चूंकि small है, we are very small, so हमें हर चीज की permission लेनी पड़ती है. Am I right or wrong? Right. Okay. So, but there are many things which we can't do. Okay, we should not seek permission. So अभी ये बताना है कि आपको उन चीजों को टिक करना है which you think you cannot take without asking. यूजुअली हम परमिशन के लिए करते हैं ना कि हमें परमिशन लेना है, तो आप कौन सी चीजें बगैर परमिशन के नहीं कर सकते, आप बगैर पूछे नहीं कर सकते, उन चीजों को टिक करना है. ओके, इफ यू विल सी अ 10 रुपी नोट ऑन द रोड, 10 रुपी का नोट अगर रोड पे है, इफ देयर इट्स लाइंग ऑन द ग्राउंड, विल यू पिक इट अप? नो. So what you will do? You will put a.
मैम कौन सी बुक है?
It a tree top. This is English. I don't know.
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, beta. Now mute your microphone. Mute the microphone. Okay. So this question is asking, see page number 12. Open page number 12. Yeah. This question is asking, usually हमें हर चीज परमिशन लेके करनी पड़ती है, but in this you have to tell कि आप वो कौन सी चीजें कर सकते हो जहां पे आप परमिशन सीख नहीं करोगे. You will not ask for permission. Okay. So अगर if 10 rupee note is on the road, will you pick it up? No. Put a cross. बुक में क्रॉस करिए, 1 पे क्रॉस, क्योंकि कोई भी नहीं पिक करता है नोट. नोबडी इज सो ग्रेडी की 10 rupee note is falling or 100 rupee and you go for stealing. It's a very bad habit, the children. Then next, number 2, your friend's box of crayons. अगर आपके फ्रेंड का बॉक्स है क्रेयॉन का, तो you will pick? No. Put a cross. A fallen leaf in your garden. A fallen leaf in your garden. Yes. आप तो लीफ गिरा तो किसी की परमिशन की तो जरूरत ही नहीं है. So what will you do? आप पिक कर सकते हो ना. लीफ तो गिरा, उससे क्या लेना देना. So put a tick. टिक कर दीजिए इसको. Put a tick on it. Your brother's share of cake. No, Baba. Happy birthday is celebrated and the cake is being shared. You can't take anyone's share. So you will put cross. आप brother का cake कैसे ले लोगे? So put a cross. A cricket bat in the playground. No, not at all. We can't take anyone's bat. So we will put a cross. Put a cross. Number 5 also. Then an apple from the tree in your garden. Okay, if it's come in your garden, so you can pick it up. नहीं तो आप अगर ये आपको देना भी है तो अगर आप pick ही नहीं करोगे तो how will you tell the person? So you will pick it up. So put a tick. An egg from a bird's nest. If an egg has come from a bird's nest, you will pick no. A purse on the floor of a mall or shop, no. Only you will put tick on 3 and 6. Serial number 3 and 6. Okay. Now let's come to the next exercise, page number 13. 1, 3, 13. Say yes or no. Okay, you have to say yes. अगर सही है तो yes बोलते हैं. और क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रू बोलते हैं. ट्रू. ट्रू मतलब क्या होता है? जब कोई चीज सच होती है, करेक्ट होती है, then we use the word true. And either word, or if it's wrong, we use the word false. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे true false तो बोला ही नहीं है. It has been spoken yes or no. Okay, so Kanya's story is clear to everyone. If you know the correct answer, yes hoga, you will shake your head. Or if no hoga, you will say no by shaking your head, children. Okay? Number 1. Sukanya buys a kilo of laddus. No. Mishita is saying no. Who else is saying no? Come on, shake your heads. No, very good. Mishita, you're right. I know your answer. Mishita, I've seen you. Someone else? Divyanshu? No. Okay, dear. Then Rhythm, yes or no? No. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Yes. She buys a kilo of peda. So answer will be no. Write in your book with the pencil, children. N-O, no. Number 1. Sentence के सामने, right in front of the sentence, N-O, no. Okay. Now come to number 2. Sukanya takes a laddu without asking. Yes. Mishita is saying yes. Yes. I told to shake them. Now, ऐसे करो. Yes. Like this. Shake your head. Okay. Okay. We'll not disturb each other. Very nice. Very sweet children of you. So you will write yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Number 2. Good. Number 3. Sukanya returns the laddu to the shopkeeper. She returns the laddu. Mishita is saying yes. Shake your heads. If yes is the answer, she returns the laddu to the shopkeeper. Shake your head. Yes. Ojas is also saying, Divyanshu Sahu is also saying yes. Good. Good, good, Divyanshu. Now write yes in the book, beta. Good, Mishita. Write yes in the book.
यहाँ पर लिखो.
Yes, Y-E-S, yes. पीछे आगे लिख लो.
यहाँ लिखो. समझ में
Y-E-S लिखो.
Please mute the microphone. Please mute the microphone, children. Okay, number 4. The shopkeeper is happy with Sukanya. Of course, जब वो return कर देगी तो वो happy तो होंगी. He is happy. So yes, you will write yes. Okay. Now I'll call the name. Rhythm, open your microphone. Rhythm Agarwal, open the microphone, beta. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Rhythm, you will tell me, where does Sukanya go one day?
Sweet shop.
Yes, अगर आप आंसर बोलोगे, you will say complete sentence. Sukanya goes to a sweet shop one day. Yeah, directly you will say Sukanya goes to a sweet shop.
Sweet shop.
हाँ. Okay, very good. Rhythm, put your microphone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, child. Now next is Mishita, you open. What does Sukanya buy? Mishita, open mic.
Chicken buys kilo of berries.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Mute your microphone. Very good. Muted, beta. Muted. Already muted. Okay. Next, Divyanshu. What does Sukanya pick up? Divyanshu, open the microphone. Yes. What does Sukanya pick up?
Yeah.
ठीक है शॉप पे जाती है शॉप laddus. Okay, she picks up a laddu. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, dear. So Sukanya picks up a laddu. Next, Evelyn, call in the microphone. Please call. Evelyn, can you hear me? In the microphone. Artiman Kumar. Artiman Kumar. He's gone. Okay, Shantanu Vahi. Shantanu Vahi, open the microphone. Shantanu.
Vahi.
Okay, okay. Vahi,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Shaurya Vahi. Okay. Shaurya Vahi, open the microphone. He's not listening to me. Okay, Arav Jain, you open the microphone. Arav Jain.
I'm sure if I opened the microphone.
Okay, he should say yes, ma'am, something. I'm not able to know, na?
No,
Okay.
actually, ma'am, the system is little slow. Sorry
Yeah,
for
I
that.
can make up. At least when I'm asking, calling him his name, he should give a response. Ma'am, I am there. Okay. Yeah, yes, ma'am, he should say. I'm not able to see. Yeah. So,
Ma'am.
okay, beta. Now, Shaurya, you will tell me, what does the shopkeeper give Sukanya?
Box and off.
शॉपकीपर ने सुकन्या को लास्ट में क्या दिया था when the story got ended? उसको क्या दिया था? What gift?
Laddu. Box of laddu, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Shaurya. Now mute your microphone. Arav Jain, open the microphone.
Thank
Arav.
you.
Okay, Arav. Can you hear me? Arav, you can hear me?
Yes.
Okay, dear. Now, number 5, you will take the answer. What does Sukanya say to the shopkeeper? Shopkeeper उसने said picked up a laddu so much. What is mother told? To say sorry. Okay. Okay, mute your microphone, Ara. So what does Sukanya say to the shopkeeper? She says sorry to the shopkeeper. Okay, now do you think she's a good girl? Yes. She is okay. Now turn your page, children. Turn your page. Come to page number 14. Yeah. Look at the pictures, write their names, choose the words from the box. Very easy. आपको पिक्चर देखना है और आपको नेम लिखना है, बट आपको स्पेलिंग तो पता ही नहीं है. सो फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल सी द स्पेलिंग? सी येलो बॉक्स इज देयर ना, येलो बॉक्स, उसमें स्पेलिंग्स दी हुई है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज अ गर्ल. ओके, so you will see the spelling of girl, Girl. Write in your book, Girl. Then number 2, laddus are there, na? What will be the spelling of laddu? LADD means 2 times D you will write. LADDOOS. Laddus. Okay. Try to learn the spelling also. That's why I'm telling you to write. Okay. Next, number 3. What is it? Shop. It is a shop, na? So you will write the spelling of shop. SHOP. Achint, don't open the microphone. Okay. So SHOP. Number 4 is dog. I hope you know the spelling of dog. Write the spelling of dog, DOG. Number 5 is shopkeeper. Shop की spelling मैम ने अभी बताया ना, पहले shop की spelling लिखो, SHOP. Yes. SHOP. Okay, now keeper, KEEPER. Keeper. SHOPKEEPER. Then number 6 is what? Duck. Do you know the spelling of duck? DUCK. Very good, children. Write duck. Then number 7 is what? Sofa. What is the spelling of sofa? SOFA. Okay, number 8 is school. School. S. School की क्या spelling होगी? SCHOOL. And number last is baby. BABY. Okay. Okay, children. So this is all for today. Complete these 2 exercises. Question answers I will give at last. अभी आपको आज क्या करना है? You have to complete these 2 exercises. Okay. Now underline the hard words, children. Open page number 12. First you will start with the hard words in the copy. पहले आपने first chapter copy में start किया होगा ना? What you have written? Hard words of the poem. Okay, now that is over. आज आप क्या करोगे? Today you will write again आज की date for today's date, and you will write the heading lesson taking a laddu, and then you will write the heading hard words, and you will write the hard words. Okay. So our first word is pedas. First word is pedas. PEDAS. Underline in the book. Book में देखिए pedas कहाँ लिखे उसको underline करिए बेटा. Underline pedas. Then laddus. Then laddus. LADDOOS. Okay, then shopkeeper. Number third word is shopkeeper. Then is silent. Next page, page number 13. Silent. I'll send you the words, but you mark on. I want you all to mark. You all to see in the book. Silent. SILENT. Okay. Then everything. Mark the word everything. 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 Then something. Mom says if you take something. कहा है ना मम्मा ने? Mom वाला देखिए, MUM वाला line देखिए. The word something is written there. Write something. और उसको भी underline करिए. Then stealing. Without asking, it is stealing. Stealing word is there, na? Underline stealing also. And the last word is no, not last, second last, returns. Then returns. And the last word is sorry. Okay, what is the spelling of sorry? SORRY. So again, I'm revising. The first word is pedas, then laddus, then shopkeeper, everything, something, silent, stealing, returns, and the last word is sorry. So this is all for today, children. You will write the hard words in the copy. You will complete the exercises in the book. And again, you will read the lesson carefully. I know I have told the words, but many of you are not able to pick up the word, which word ma'am is saying and where it is written. So you have to read the lesson again. Okay? So this is all for children. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, God bless you.